Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today's video it's going to be very quick because I'm just waiting for my grab food order. I saw this beautiful reference photo from Kira Fleur and I just wanted to do this, and for the center I might use gouache. So for the paper I'm using Etchr Sketchbook, and for the paint I'm using the Art Philosophy Artist Grade tube paints that I just poured into some half pans. So let's grab some crimson. So I'm just gonna try to match the color. I'm using a silver brush, black velvet. Then we'll just paint a few flowers, not all the flowers. So I'm just going to, I will just try. Okay, so there's a notification that the driver is already at the restaurant, and I'm just looking for something cold because it's a pretty hot day. So I ordered some iced dessert. I'm not sure if I will be able to show you guys my dessert because I might be finished by then, but we're just going to create some expressive strokes, and I can mix my crimson with a little bit of Prussian blue just to create a deep purple color. So I think I won't be leaving that much white space right here since I will just be putting some gouache. And then let's create a deeper shade of purple. I'm making this pretty quick also because I only have about 7 minutes left in my phone memory for a video. Okay, I think I can just add more details when this one is already dry. Let's create like a bud here, small flower. And then let's grab some Hooker's green, which I'm going to add just a little bit of burnt umber just to create like an earthy green color. Okay, you can also add a little bit of indigo. Okay, and then I think I want just some light colored petals over here. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and just add more details in a while. Okay, so this is already dry, and I'm just going to grab my gouache. I added a little bit of yellow paint, and then let's just create the center over here. So just like create some thin lines. So you'll see that it's quite opaque because this is gouache and Yeah, I think I should not have added some white spaces before, so it's nice if the background is just plain and with no white spaces, so you can clearly see the details, but this one still looks good. So now let's add some more over here. I'm just going to create some thin lines, then just perhaps I'm just going to improvise and just add some dots. Okay, so you can also use yellow gouache. I just don't have the yellow gouache right now, but I use white and then I added a yellow paint, so you can also do that. Then maybe we can add some more here. So this is like a nice way to add some details to your watercolor painting. So just need some white gouache. Okay, so we can also add some paints using the gouache. So that's up to you. I think I'd like to add a few more leaves that are quite dark, just to add some contrast. Then you can also add just some more details. Just try to like separate some of the petals. Okay, so we can add just some buds and some petals. And then of course this is optional, but you can also add some splatters on your painting. Some people don't like this because it looks messy, but of course it depends on your preference. So I'm just going to smudge some of it. Okay, so we are done. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!